So here at the WIX Editor, to show layers panel, you want to go to bottom left of your screen and then click right here on layers. And then it will show the layers panel. And you can also do it by clicking on tools at the top right of your screen, right here under publish and preview. Just click on tools. And then on the layers, you want to do a check mark on it. And then the layers panel will show. And then to use this layers panel, for example, I will do it on my header. Just click on the header. And then as you can see, I have this strip as the background of my header that was placed at the very behind of my header. And then to make it on top of my header, I can just click right here on the strip. Just click on it one time and then drag it all the way to the bottom of the header. And as you can see, now my strip is at the very front of my header. And that's how you do it. So you can arrange your layers here on the layers panel. The header, it means the header right here. And the pages is all the section or strip that was placed between header and the footer at the bottom. And there you go. If you still have any question about WIX, just drop a comment down below and I will try my best to assist and help you guys. And that's how to show and hide layers panel on WIX. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.